as you could have already saw the way here, we're going to be using this Trojan axe. As you can see here, you've got a V-line shape, so that means the corner's going to split off. Okay, maybe not this one. This bad boy, long blade, and we have a long split. Beautiful split line. Beautiful, actually beautiful. So what? Beautiful split line. Yeah, brother. Oh, an axe head. Okay, this is gonna be our last hit of the day, and then I'll keep you guys updated with the axe head. Okay, so this is gonna be the last swing. So hi guys, today I'm going to be using, so I put one of those on, they're really not good. I would recommend petrol, because they're much faster to light. They're not really good for the light, but they're better, I like more. These ones are natural, and they smell like pure cow manure. So, I need about one cube of this. Put it in the middle here. You know, I will take the camera from here, and he's gonna be placing the fire. Okay, can you place the wood
on top of it?
Yep. My trusty cameraman today is gonna be helping me do this. Yep, that's good. Today again, we're gonna be fixing this axe. I have left it in the sun rusting because I could not use my shave to pull it out. Now I'm going to be breaking this handle off with a bow saw from Bunnings. Oh. Can you give me a lending hand here? So I'm using this super old thing. Cut it.
Okay.
Now we're going to be cutting it. Okay, there's some difficulties that this is going to change. Now we're trying a brand new bow saw. It's amazing about the years. Please do. Right, just a wood. Yeah, wood. Now. Boom.
Okay.
Hi. Today I'm not making a TV thing. I'm making a pit fort, like a blast furnace. Let all the air get it in and come out the top. Get a little triangle in there. Stacks and stacks of wood. So when the top layer burns, the second layer comes. So we don't just burn all the wood. Also, so many ants on this wood, they're all gonna die. Now I'm gonna light it. So guys, I tried using the flint and steel, but I am really not good at it. It kept flicking all everywhere. I love what they make today. It's like, yeah. So I am trying to burn that wood off. It's too hot to put it in, so it's really hard to take it out. Look at that. Look how bloody hot that is. So my little contraption is this. Put that so I don't burn my hand. This is about nearly 1,000 degrees. You guys put your closest estimate. All that rustiness, I burnt to the loft. I'll let you guys know when I've done this.
Um,